Hi there, this is Unmesh. Today I'm going to show you a very important tip when it comes to refining the selection in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here we are in the mystical world of Photoshop, and I have already very quickly made a selection using the quick selection tool, and you can go ahead and download this photo using the links in the description. If we just go ahead and zoom in and if we create a mask out of it, as you can see, the selection is not perfect. So if you go ahead and make a mask out of it by clicking on the mask button right over there after making the selection using any of your favorite tools, let's go ahead and create a mask. As you can see, the selection is not very perfect. Let's put a white background behind of it so that we can clearly see what's happening. Let's create a solid color adjustment layer by clicking on the adjustment layer icon and then choose solid color, and let's choose white. Okay, click OK and then put it behind the subject. Alright, as you can see, the selection is not perfect, and in this area it's kind of good. We need to refine it. How do we refine it? Take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white, select the mask, and then if you paint over there, you really cannot see where the edge is. You have to kind of guess it, or you have to paint a little extra and then change the color to black by pressing X. This toggles the foreground and the background color. If I go ahead and press X, this toggles it. Alright, now we have to kind of remove it, and this kind of becomes very tedious job to do. So here's the tip. So what is the tip? Let's go back again by holding Control Alt Z, Command Option Z if you're using a Mac. Alright, so simply select the mask, decrease the density of the mask. What that does is it's like opacity for the mask. It makes the mask grayish. If I decrease the density, you will partly see the areas which are not selected. Okay, so if you decrease the density all the way to 0, see the mask becomes completely white. All of the image shows up. If you increase the density, slowly and gradually, the selection or the mask that you have made starts showing up. Alright, so you can keep it somewhere around this, and that way you will be able to see what's going on, and then take the brush and zoom in. And this is just for refining. We do need to understand that a pen tool can do a much better job over here, but if you want to refine just particular areas, you can use this trick. Just decrease the density, take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white, and then simply just paint to the edge. And once you're done, I'm doing this very quickly and badly, but once you're done, simply increase the density and you're pretty much good to go. I know that's a bad selection, but you get the tip. I hope this tip helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you, my friend, don't miss a thing. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.